How to open Bank of America account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to open Bank of America account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Bank of America account opening. Tap on the very first link you see there and then enter your zip code. You will then be shown with the types of account you can open. There are options such as Advantage banking accounts, saving accounts, CD accounts, and many more. First, know which type of account you want to open. Decide which type of account you want and then tap on that and then tap on the Open Now option you see there. When you apply for an account, Bank of America requires basic information for each account holder. The information such as your name, social security number, physical address, phone number, email address, birth date, citizenship information, employment, and income information. The bank will do an identity verification check, so you may also need a state ID or U.S. driver's license. Fill in the required information and tap on the Continue button and further follow the on-screen instructions to finish your application. And this is how you can open Bank of America account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.